What is going on, everyone? Hopefully you guys already watched the Grom video that I posted about 2 weeks ago. It was a lot of fun making that video, but it is now time for the FJ to shine. So on that note, hopefully you guys enjoy part 1 on our road trip back to Dallas with the FJ. Well, good thing Jeremy's here, because then he can haul the stuff in the Uber. So I've been having my shoes dry right there. Ugh. Oh no, I don't think I can get it. Ugh. Wait. Whew. Actually feels pretty dry. Maybe I'll change into them. I'm wearing my hiking trail shoes right now. I mean, these are hiking shoes too, boots, but they at least protect my ankles. All right, guys, so today's the day. Finally gonna go pick up the FJ. It's been a long time coming. I am honestly kind of scared because I don't know what they did with it. All their builds they've done, I've liked them a lot. They've always done good quality builds, but you know, your own baby, you have your own taste and everything. So I'm sure whatever they do, I'd be very happy with. Honestly, I'm just very, very excited and nervous. We're gonna do one more trip on the Grom. The Throtl headquarters from where we're at, it's about 15-20 minute ride. It's actually 15 minutes away, but I'm going a little bit slower on this, so it'll probably be 20 minutes. Hope you guys are enjoying this slow trip, because I sure am. Yeah, let's get going. About to do the first FJ fill up, and yeah, look at that. So we're at over 200,000 miles. This baby's got a lot of miles. So right now we're in San Diego, so price of gas is a lot more than we're used to. I think back in Texas for 87 octane is 20. Let's make a guess. How much do you think it's gonna cost to fill up? Yeah,
$92.
92? I'm gonna say 100. I don't think it's gonna be 100, I don't know. I'll be happy if it's in the 80s.
Oh yeah, me too.
Wait, boys. I guess they don't have 93 here. They have 87 and 91. FJs are notorious for this issue. There's like a hack that people like put the pump, the hose like over. I've never had this issue before. All right, Jeremy's gonna have his go at it. This is like the most struggle ever for a gas fill up. Working? Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Hey, look, we got a taco right there. Nice, she has the same rack as me. All right, not too bad. We're starting a new trip. So we have trip A for gas, and trip B is gonna be for the entire trip. I think we're gonna be doing a minimum of 2,000 miles.
You gonna stop at Costco's along the way?
I think that's the only way we can make this affordable. But I'm guessing with the Grom, our fuel economy will probably be 12, maybe 13 if I baby it and keep it in eco mode. Next up right now, we are gonna go meet up with our friend Diane. We haven't seen her in a while. So she's originally from Chicago, but she moved to San Diego a couple years back. So we're gonna visit her and eat some dinner. And I don't think I showed you guys on camera yet, but we're also meeting up with Sam and Allison. We've already been hanging out with them for a few hours. So I need to stop saying so.
That's
Well,
okay.
it's a filler
It's
word.
it's better than like. It's better than like.
Oh, a quick rundown of the FJ though, just like driving it. It's much more plush and hitting bumps like this, it's taking like a beast. So whatever this FabTech Dirt Logic setup, I have no complaints right now, just for city driving. The brakes also feel amazing. I think they're EBC black slotted brakes with, I think they said yellow stub brake pads. It feels pretty good stopping on a dime. My last setup, I think, which was the stock ones, they weren't so good.
So actually, I have
You guys are started on the flights already?
Yeah.
Of course. Let's see, I have a blonde that's really good. What I have on.
So I usually do like a blonde. Blondes usually. Hefeweizen's
Do you want to do a flight also?
Yeah. And I'm okay with sours too.
Okay.
So if you want to surprise me, but lighter and then maybe like 1 or 2 sours.
I got you.
Okay, cool. Take it, man. I don't know. Oh, there's a game. Okay. Awesome. Oh. Cheers. He got
Hot chicken.
Chimkin.
Hot chicken.
Oh, wait. That's not Szechuan chicken. This is the Filet-O-Fish. This is the McDonald's Filet-O-Fish. And then you got the duck fries.
But I got my
Duck
upgraded
fries, mac and cheese,
pork belly mac.
mussels, fresh mussels.
There you go. Look at that. Tastes like McDonald's. I'm just kidding. Actually, it kind of does. Alright, I'm gonna go enjoy this now. Alright, everything now is demolished, and that's the damage. Okay, appreciate it, man.
Take care.
Thank you. Is that there?
It's not black now. It's not chrome anymore.
Actually, I prefer black. Wait, you're Lord?
Yeah.
Oh, is these squirrels?
Yeah, close.
Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, yeah, BC's on it. How did I just know this now? I still can't believe this thing only has 50,000 miles.
Dude, this shit she bought this thing long ass time.
Brand new, right? Yeah, I would have like 300,000 miles by now. The amount I drive.
Ooh, you know what we should do?
Huh.
Cool, it's right there.
You want to play a game? We can play a game. She usually keeps her post cues in the car.
Sounds like a shark.
She'll go play regular,
like it.
we use regular sticks, and she's like, "We want to play for my okay BRB." Comes back with Q. It's like, oh fuck. Yeah, as long as it's not busy, I'm down to play a game. Bye.
Nice to meet you.
Alright. Thank you. I appreciate everything.
Alright, safe travel.
Yes, we'll update you on everything. Goodbye. Alright. So Dan's gonna go hustle people.
AKA you.
Yeah. Oh, there's the.
Oh, you have one here. Look at that.
Perfect.
Alright. I guess it's meant to be.
Meant to be.
That one reserved. That one right there? Yeah, we're on the same team, but.
Sync one. Oh, we're good. We're safe.
I don't think that's the rule.
Oh yeah, so as long as you sync one, you're good. Yeah. Off the break. It just means like you don't lose.
Well, you guys let us know in the comments below if that's the true rule or not. I think it's the opposite, but. Alright, Diane's got this. There you go. So first time I played with Diane, she hustled the crap out of me. She said she was still bad because she didn't have a cue stick with her, but she like owned the crap out of me. Wait, did you win?
I did.
Oh, okay. So we're tied up now. So now we have to remember that for next time. Oh, you let us know? All right. It's 8:40. We have to get to LA, but we have to play one game of punching.
You say it might not work.
It might not work.
Yeah, I can give you change, but I'm not sure if it.
Oh.
Complaining.
Nope, doesn't work.
Stop blinking.
Wait, start button on hold. Wait.
I got you, bro.
Alright, man, you're gonna. Hey, look, it's your car. Is that? No, I'm just kidding.
No, it's white.
Yeah. Oh, wait, you don't like white?
I don't like white cars.
What?
They get dirty so
you didn't like my
fast.
FJ then when it was white?
No.
Oh, I love white car.
I just couldn't tell you that.
Oh, so wait, so you actually, do you think the red's okay?
Red's fine.
Yeah.
I like blue though.
Yeah.
But blue's my favorite color.
So I was originally gonna tell him blue, but again, there's so many shades of blue that I didn't know what to. I was too indecisive.
It's true. Now it looks like cherry red.
Yeah, it's I kind of think it was kind of like a candy. They originally wanted to do Midnight Purple 3, like the GTR one.
That would have been different.
Yeah, but then I didn't think that would look good on a off-road car. I said like an import thing. I think that would look fine, but not on So this is the little Grommy that got me all the way here.
The little Grom that could.
The little drop. Dude, how did you do that?
Dude, my ass hurts so much. I was like sitting here, cause if I sit there.
Like cushions.
They repainted all my trim. Everything was all faded. Every black piece has been repainted. The top is now wrapped black because the whole thing was white. So wheels and tires, new rock rail. That's new. The suspension. Steel bumper. Winch. New headlights. This is brand new lights. They repainted the mount.
Oh, the mount.
Yeah. This is a solar panel.
I love it.
Me too.
Looks fun.
So I can't wait till we go on a camping trip.
Yes.
Meet us in Moab.
Where's Moab?
Utah.
Utah.
Okay. I'll sleep up there though.
Yeah. It's seriously so
Yeah,
comfortable.
It's huge.
Yeah,
It's massive.
Three people
It
can.
looks small though.
It folds out. That's why.
Yeah.
So
Like this way?
Actually, you could probably just find someone's rooftop tent on their car and just like open it and sleep up there.
Oh my gosh. I'm never gonna live in a regular tent.
You don't need to live on the road.
I thought it was just the one that goes up.
No, that's why I said it.
Isn't
That's
laws
laws.
like that?
Yeah, laws like that.
Bye.
Miss you.
Until next time.
Until next time. I swear to God.
We'll go camping, okay?
Take care. See you next time.
All right, you go off in your carriage. Your chariot, all right? Maybe I'll plan a Disney trip. I don't know.
Yes. I'll be down for that.
All right, bye-bye. All right, so this is where we're gonna end this vlog for today. We're gonna go ahead to Los Angeles now to see my sister. Hope you guys enjoyed today. It's been a very eventful day. Happy to see old friends and new friends. But technically this is when our trip actually starts.
Yeah.
So, oh, Jeremy's. So, all right, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.
See ya.
Day is today. Tuesday, Wednesday. Tuesday? I feel like today's Wednesday. It's Tuesday?
It's Tuesday.
It's